Hi everyone, we're the Casual Gamers, and I'm here with my dad. And today we're going to be starting to review
the NES 8bitdo arcade stick.
I was going to say that.
You can say it.
The N30 arcade stick made by 8bitdo.
Okay, this stick has got a lot of different functions. It's got X input and D input, so you can use it on the PC and on Switch. We used it on the PC first, but
then it didn't work.
it stopped working. Well, it did work, but because it hasn't got the two joysticks, we can only go one way in old type games. And then we played it on the Switch, and it took us like maybe 2 hours to set it up because we were pressing the wrong thing. The instructions say press start and R1 and L1 together, but in fact it's start then R1 and L1. But anyway, has an X and Y button, a D-pad button, a turbo button, which I think is for fighting games that we don't have.
That's for Street Fighter.
A pair button and a select button. We actually got it working on the
Raspberry Pi.
Raspberry Pi, and we played a couple of games on it. The joystick is
It's a bit weird.
it's a bit weird, it's a bit fiddly. The buttons are good.
The button.
It's got 8 buttons.
It's got... No, actually, it's got... 9, 10, 11... It's got 12 buttons, you meant.
Yeah, but 8 for function. I really can't say a whole lot of great things about the stick. I guess if you're into fighting games it would work, but we don't really do fighting games. So I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. What about you?
Well, this controller is a bit too weird, so I give it a 0 out of 10.
0? It's a bit harsh. Okay. Now we also want to do an update review on the 8bitdo
Zero controller, and it has all rainbow colors.
These rainbow colours signify that it's looking for something to pair to, but we still can't get it working for iOS, unfortunately. Even though it says in the box that you can use it with iCade, but we can't find iCade and we can't get it to work because we're only casual gamers and we haven't a clue. But yeah, I'm still giving this a 5 out of 10. What are you giving it?
Well, the rainbow function is very awesome, so I give it the same as you.
So that's 2 5s out of 10. So the 8bitdo N30 arcade stick gets a 5 out of 10, and this one here gets a 10 out of 20.
Copycat.
And
Cat.
do your outro.
And the outro.
No, you do an outro.
Do you want to say something first?
You say it first.
No, you say first.
That's our video. Thank you for watching, and Elijah's going to do an outro here.
Yeah. And remember, it's all the theory, a game theory. Please like, subscribe, and wear your seatbelts. Bye.